Connecting your Sony WF-1000XM6 earbuds to an Android phone is designed to be quick, but if you're setting them up for the first time, it might not feel as automatic as you expect. With features like Bluetooth pairing, fast pair prompts, and optional app support, there are a few different ways the connection can happen. That can leave you wondering which method is the right one to follow. The key thing to understand is that once the initial pairing is done correctly, everything becomes seamless. Your earbuds will connect instantly every time you take them out of the case. You'll also unlock better control over sound, noise cancellation, and touch features. The entire process only takes a minute, and once it's complete, you'll have a smooth and reliable wireless experience every time you use your earbuds. Try these. Step 1. Open the charging case with your Sony WF-1000XM6 earbuds inside to turn them on. Step 2. On your Android phone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and turn it on. Step 3. Keep the case close to your phone and wait for a pairing pop-up. Step 4. If no pop-up appears, press and hold the pairing button on the case until the LED starts flashing. Step 5. Select WF-1000XM6 from the available Bluetooth device list. Step 6. Confirm the connection and allow any permissions for full functionality.